Cardinals, to another episode of the Cardinal Cooking Show. My name is Chef Jordan, and here I have Chef Lewis and Chef China here with me to help. Today, we will be making cheesy quesadillas. A quesadilla is a typical Mexican dish. And did you know the word quesadilla comes from a combination of the word queso, which means cheese in Spanish, and tortilla. Our ingredients will be told by Lewis. Lewis, what are our ingredients?
The ingredients we'll need for this are flour, tortillas, butter, and cheese. We'll be using sharp cheddar, but you could use different ingredients such as onions, peppers, and spinach.
Alright. Hey China, what's our first step?
Well, our first step is to heat up our pan to medium heat. But before you do that, make sure to get adult supervision. After that, we put our butter on the pan.
About how much butter are we adding?
About half a tablespoon.
And then, once the butter melts, we're going to add our tortilla. Today we're using flour tortilla. But gotta wait for the butter to melt before you add the tortilla.
That's starting to smell good already.
It really is.
And then, Lewis, what's our next step?
Next step is to put a little bit of cheese.
About how much cheese are we adding, Lewis?
Half a cup, or just fill the entire tortilla.
Okay. That cheese is smelling good. Alright. Gotta wait for the cheese to melt a little bit. Then we flip the tortilla. For the tortilla, my bad. And then make sure each side of the tortilla is brown enough.
Gotta be golden brown and delicious.
Okay. And flip it, and put it on our plate. And there you have it, Cardinals. A cheesy, tasty quesadilla. Be sure to cut it and share it with friends. Bye, Cardinals.
Bye.
See you next time.
Do you guys want to share this? I don't think I can eat all of this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.